In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix command prompt error 740 in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now first of all, you need to proceed here with the button search bar and type for CMD. So here at this window, wait until you'll get to see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And once it's here, please proceed to the right side of that. You can see there run as administrator. So click on it. And the moment you click on it, in some of the laptop, you would be able to receive a notification where your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you can continue on running this window. Okay? So here, all you need to do is you need to run it as an administrator. That way, you will be able to have an administrative privileges. So whatever you are going to type or to paste here at the command prompt will work out. Okay? So the reason why you face an error actually is that you have click on open instead of run as administrator. So that's very important whenever you will open or whenever you will use this command prompt system. And it's very important to run to run this rather at as administrator. So by that, you just have to type anything here, click on the enter key, and your problem will be solved. Okay. So that said, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.